And they're led by Jimboy Estrada and the resurgence of Kevin Santos here in the NCAA, making a start here for Letran. Santos coming off a career-high 17 points with 6 blocks in the previous game. Ball is up and game is underway. Laban ng Altas at Knights dito sa round 1 ng ating elimination round. Martin Avera alongside Big Bo Teaga here in the coverage. Panigurado, maganda yung bakbakan natin dito, Big Bo.
Oo, sigurado. Walang basta-basta bibigay dito sa dalawang team na to. They were struggling from the start of the season, pero ito na nga, nandito na sila at the top of the standings. And then ang mas excited ako is these two guys from the Letran side, both bigs dito kay Kevin Santos and Pau Havillonar. Ito yung gusto ko magkita, nagkasabay talaga sila.
Si Pau Havillonar at Kevin Santos, dalawa sa kaunting veterano na nalalabit dito sa lineup ng Letran. Both players are expected to lead this squad in season 100. Chris Pagaran mintis yung unang tira. John Abbas short. And here comes Letran. Montecillo has been the starting point guard since their last game, looking steady at the point. Ito siya, pinabantayan, kinukulit ni Sean Orgo. Montecillo still has it. Jimboy sends it out. Santos, Tanto, Montecillo. That one rims out.
Oh, dun sa setup play nila yun, talagang inubos nila yung shot lang before they take a shot. It's already a carry shot para dito kay Montecillo, pero he needs to take it.
Marco Cruz is doubled. Abis may libre sa kanto. Pagaran for 3. Nothing there. Nunez hustling for the board. Goho Cruz. Wala pa rin, both teams firing blank so far, but Perpetual gets another chance. Goho Cruz.
Good intention, pero maganda pagkakabasa nito ni Quahao dun sa drop pass nito ni Goho Cruz.
Quahao coming off a solid game against CAC with 14 points. He's actually had a good string of games in this stretch. Santos, pabagsak na siya doon, Big Bo, nung ginawa niya yung pasa.
Medyo na out of balance doon siya. Yun yung kailangan ma-develop nito ni Kevin Santos. Going for the drive, you know he can dribble, kaya lang yung pagka binump off siya, kailangan steady ka pa rin. Yung balance mo na andun pa rin.
Kasi kung hindi, kakatawanin ka ng mga bigs natin. Goho Cruz!
Ganda naman yung pasa ni
Finally opens the scoring.
Oo, ganda ng pasa ni Orgo. Papunta doon kay Goho Cruz na yun.
MGC, their super rookie, the star of their juniors team just a few months ago, having a stellar rookie season. Wow! Come on!
Ito naman. Ito, bigyan mo ng kaunting tuwang yung batang yan. Matik sa kanya yan. Walang hesitation. He will take it. Tulad ng sinasabi niya, pinapractice niya yan.
That's right. Christian Pagaran missing the layup. Battle for the rebound. It stays with Perpetual. Now we go first time to our courtside reporter. Itong kanyang first quarter report. Nandito si Gleisel Galpo. Gleisel, go ahead.
Today's matchup is a deciding game between our two teams looking to secure their 5th win. Letran Knights head coach Alan Ricardo told me that he wants his guys to be able to sustain their starting lineup's performance. Ani niya, kailangan daw nilang matapatan ng Altas and limit their scorers, lalo na he is expecting a lot of ball and player movement and of course a good player rotation from them. Speaking of having dependable players, Kevin Santos told me that he is also focusing on muscle training dahil medyo kulang pa raw siya sa lakas ng pangangatawan, but he might not be the biggest one inside the court. Asahan nating kahit anong laban na hindi niya uurungan. Unfortunately, Kobe Monhe will continue to sit out for today's game because he is still recovering from being sick. Will it be another good day for the Knights, Martin and Bo?
Well, we'll see. Gleisel, thank you so much. Kobe Monhe, that's a big loss in the lineup of Coach Alan Ricardo. Pero marami naman siyang pwedeng bunutin dito sa lineup na to. And speaking of Coach Allen, nabanggit ni Gleisel yung starting unit ng Letran. And I can't believe I'm saying this because Coach Allen is used to using his entire lineup, platoon substitutions. Diyan tayo sanay kay Coach Allen. Nung huling laban, Big Bo, 61 out of the 75 points ng Letran galing sa kanyang starters.
Ayun naman yung kailangan, kumbaga, natutunan ni Coach Allen na hindi ka pwede dito sa collegiate level na platoon substitution. It's either you sub 2 at a time, 1 at a time. Minsan nga, inuubos yung isang buong quarter sa isang veterano eh.
Yeah, that's right. Dito na unti-unting natututo si Coach Allen. And this guy, speaking of transitioning to the college game, walang problema para kay Goho Cruz.
Kahit rookie ako, sabi niya, kaya ko to.
Kevin Santos misfires. Sean Orgo has it. Chris Pagaran, Perpetual with the early lead. Take out. Goho Cruz decides to take it strong. Goho Cruz with another basket. He's got all 6 Perpetual points.
When it comes to confidence, ito puno-puno itong batang to ng kumpiyansa.
What a start for MGC. Here's the swing. Jimboy. Oh, nothing there. Ito si Javillonar. Montecillo from on top here. Montecillo scoops it. Nunez pulls it down. Ito na naman si Goho Cruz. Drop off this time. Addis. Bucket and beyond for John Addis.
Akala mo medyo nag-ano na si Goho Cruz doon sa atake yun dahil na doon agad si Kevin Santos eh.
8-3 lead for Perpetual. Let's go first to this timeout.
The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's good! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA Season 100, winning this game against Arellano University 90-86. The shoot gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. Fourth to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's good! Maclad Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And now PU Pirates survives another close game in this.
Balik sa ating laban. Look at this. Goho Cruz with a reverse to open the scoring in the game. Here's his second basket from mid-range. And then the drive right here. Thought about the 3. Took it strong off the dribble. Goho Cruz now with 6 points.
Kahit na nandun si Kevin Santos, ito yung huli niyang dish off dito sa ilalim. Nakita niyang sasabayan siya ni Kevin Santos eh.
Yeah.
Alam niyang aabutin siya pero yun nga. He finds Avis dun sa drop pass and end one pa doon. Big
Bo, we rarely see this kind of maturity from a legit freshman dito sa NCAA, ano?
Oo naman. And yun nga, yung transition nito ni Goho Cruz dito from the junior level at papunta rito sa senior.
Yeah.
Veterano sa juniors to eh. So pagdating dito, hindi naman inibago to.
Kita mo, siya may naka-rebound dito. John Alice, denied by Santos. He had 6 of those against EAC. Extra pass. Pagaran all day. Nunez. Wala pa rin para sa Perpetual.
Yun naman yung sakit ng Letran. They were giving up too many offensive rebounds in their previous game. Until dito ngayon, on that 1 possession, saka 3 possession itong Perpetual.
At isa yan sa mga specialty nitong Perpetual. Offensive rebounding. Cross-court pass. Nat Montecillo stops. Javillonar puts it on the floor. Swings it to Santos. Naubusan ang oras ang Letran.
Medyo umiikot lang ang bola nitong Letran sa ibabaw. They're not doing anything. They're not even driving. They're just like dribbling it one side to the other. Di wala silang, alam mo yung, parang wala silang pupuntahan on a certain play na yun.
Usually, Big Bo, they go to Jimboy Estrada.
Diba? Ngayon, ang nagtitimon ngayon itong si Montecillo.
And itong Perpetual looking to create a bigger lead. This has been their main man so far. MGC pulling the trigger. Left it short that time.
Ayun, good box out para dito sa mga Taga-Letran.
Kanina
pa sila nakukuhanan eh.
Yeah. 1 and 10 possession para sa Perpetual. Edwang Letran. Javillonar. Back to Jimboy here. Estrada. sinusundutan ni Goho Cruz. Estrada, bothered by Nunez. Wow, for 3. Tip in
Ayun
by
naman.
Santos.
Yun naman yung maaasahan mo dito kay Kevin Santos. Hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng bola. He will find his place doon sa offensive rebounding position.
Ito, tignan natin to. Look how high Santos went here.
Hanggang elbow lang eh. Di ba? Ganong katangkat ito. Tapos yung alam mo yun, yung leaping ability ng bata. Talagang maaasahan mo talaga in short. And in their previous games, he has... Kaya rin ikaw, kung ikaw sa perpetual ka, pumatake ka, makita mo si Kevin Santos, ma-intimidate ka eh. Kasi he has 6 blocks out of the 7 in their previous game.
Magdadalawang isip ka, no?
Oo.
Actually, nasa labas ka pa lang. Atake ba ako? Kay Santos sa loob eh.
Pag nakita mo sa gitna, dali lang. Pag-isipan natin ng mabuti to.
Dalhin muna kita sa labas, teka.
May mga ganung ano ka pa eh, consideration eh.
8-5 is the tally so far in the first. Sean Orgo, ang nagtawid para sa Perpetual. Orgo, now a veteran guard here in the NCAA, is up against Nat Montesillo. Nunez surveys. Goho Cruz. Elzano from straight away. Nothing there. Ito na ang Letran. On the counter-attack. Jimboy di diskarte. Estrada, Montesillo. Pinag-isipan, ilalapit, ilalabas. Jimboy again. 10 to shoot. Estrada. Pavillionar. Nope, Nunez pulls it down.
Sinicure na ni Nunez yung rebound doon. Alam niyang pwede siyang kuhanan ni Kevin Santos, pero teka lang, babaksaw din na kita. Hindi ka na makakatalo.
Sa katawan, may advantage si Nunez.
Sa lapad.
Sa lapad.
Kaya pag binaksaw niya itong si Kevin Santos, kuha niya talaga.
Yeah. Nunez. Contested jumper. Doesn't get the bounce. Goho Cruz rips out the offensive board. Quick spin. Bitawan bola.
Talagang china-challenge niya si Jimboy eh. Parang alam mo yun, pag nakikita niya yung defender niya si Jimboy, gusto niyang atakehin lagi.
Cross-court pass. Wow!
Ganda naman yun,
That one to the rim.
Ganda naman nung attacking yun. Hindi niya makuha dito sa kabila. Dinuko niya doon sa kabilang side of it.
Sabi niya, di lang ako pang 3 points.
Hindi lang ako palabas. All around to.
Elzano running into a wall. Montesillo. Fouled by Goho Cruz.
Good foul, good foul.
Ito na, unti-unti nang bumalik dito. Ang Letran Knights.
As we expected.
Yeah.
It is gonna be a good one.
Counter-attack by Letran. 1 point lead for Perpetual, leading us to this timeout. Off the bench for Lozano.
Magkakamukha, magkakatindig yung mga player ng Jerry. Di mo na alam sino yung pupukol ng pupukol eh.
They send it back now to Goho Cruz.
Good
He
challenge.
will pull the trigger, but he will knock it down. And that's the scoring caliber that he has. 7 points for the rookie, Mark Goho Cruz. Quick trigger timeout called by good. And Mark Goho Cruz, mythical 5 in season 99 juniors basketball. Part of that runner-up finish of the junior. Orgo, nope. Goho Cruz cleans up the mess.
See that transition, 4 guys running down the lane. Tatlo yung nasa loob. So clean up that mess after that layup ni Sean Orgo na hindi pumasok. Nandun tatlong tao tumatalon para sa Perpetual na naka-safety lang si Nunez.
So Perpetual still starting off fast. Look at the rebound. One-hander by Pagaran. Ahead for Goho Cruz. Back-to-back baskets for the rookie.
That's where he gets a lot of his points.
Chris Pagaran almost a double-double. 12 points, 9 rebounds in just 24 minutes of action.
Ayun na nga. Yun, kumbaga, itong si Pagaran, si Goho Cruz, ito yung mga maaasahan ni Coach Olsen pagdating dito sa Perpetual eh. Any given time, any given day, they will provide.
Yeah. Dito sa simula ng laban natin, medyo nagsa-struggle pa siya, kaya iupo muna siya ni Coach O.
Oo, nakailang try siya sa labas wala siyang may convert
Meantime, palitan din ang tao para sa Letran. Jace Miller is now in the game at the point. Si Nat Montesilio yung kanyang pinalitan. Wow! No. Santos.
Ayun na naman si Kevin Santos sa ilalim.
One more time.
Di ba? Pag hindi mo tayo nilagyan ng katawan, talo ka nito when it comes to verticality, tsaka leaving, kailangan talaga dito box outin mo. Yan, simple jump, kung makukuhanan ka for sure. Kaya you need to put a body on him.
Napuiluhan niya dun itong si Pizarro.
Hindi, tsaka nasa likod niya eh. So syempre, pag ito tumalon, mas malakas tumalon siya, kuha talaga niya kahit anong gawin mo.
Yun mamaya. Doon mag-iiba yung diskarte nito ni Eman Pizarro.
Oo. Ang ginawa kanina ni Nunez, before siya tumalon, binax out niya, bumagsak na lang sa kanya mag-isa.
So, Kevin Santos, and he's making his free throws, Big Bo.
Sabihin pa surprisingly. He is 4 out of 4 sa free throws, ha?
Kaya apante na dito ang Letran. Morales now in the game. Montemayor floats it up.
Ayun naman. Kulang naman sa box out itong si Leo Coahao doon.
Moral pulling the trigger.
Wala.
And Santos comes up with it. Jace Miller. Wow. Estrada, tahimik pa sa laban.
Oo. At maganda rin yung scheme ng Perpetual dito kay Jimbo Estrada eh.
Ayun, lagi may kasalubong. Santos is called for steps. Kakabanggit mo lang yung defensive scheme nito ng Perpetual. They force Santos to dribble that basketball.
Hindi, din sila, confident din sila na si Kevin Santos hindi titira sa labas. Kaya pagka siya nakareceive ng bola sa labas, hinahayaan nila.
Jace Miller deflecting the pass.
17.
Turnover count natin, nakakarami na ang Letran. 5 for the Knights and just 2 for Perpetual. Axel Manuel driving baseline, saw the opening and took it strong.
Nagso ng Letran doon on the other side. Inatake nito si Manuel, itong si Kevin Santos. Sinalis niya pa si Pau Habilinar doon.
Nanalo si Manuel sa sequence na yun. Cross court. Miller sends it out. Wow! Off the backboard, 3 seconds. Miller needs to heave. And here comes Perpetual.
Akala ni Miller tumama sa ring kaya inilabas niya yung bola. Hindi niya alam, they only have 4 seconds to take the shot.
Ensano. They swing it to Montemayor here. Bigger lineup for Letran, or Perpetual rather. Ensano from mid-range, comes up short. Forward pass, Abilionar has the free lane.
Good recognition para dito kay Jimbo Estrada. Kaya nakita niya, nauna na doon si Pau Habilinar. After the challenge, kumpiyansa si Pau Habilinar na makukuha nila yung bola kaya tumakbo na
Here's the drive. Inagkaamuyan itong si Montemayor at Pizarro.
Ganda sana ng dish na yun. Libre-libre. Hindi lang expected nung big. Yun yung sinasabi natin na every time you see somebody's driving and then the defense collapses, expect, if you're a bigs at the bottom of the block, expect na papasa sa'yo yan. Very seldomly na aatakihin ng guards yung dalawang depensa.
Kasi may sasalubong sa kanya.
Meron at meron. Ito, both teams are in the zone.
Abilionar misfires. Pizarro gets the board, and that's the end of our low-scoring first quarter. Letran pulling ahead, 11-10. That's a hairline lead for the Letran Knights. Exciting game so far, low-scoring, defensive-minded teams battling here. Pagbalik po natin, second quarter of this game. Ito po ang NCAA Season 100.